making a continuation of this video. Sorry guys, only because it didn't break. It just seemed like it did, you know. But we got it in there. This one may need it. Something happened. See, this is bar thing. See, okay, this one may have to be replaced. Although it's in there for now, we don't know how long it's gonna be in there for. So make sure we put that on the list. Make sure we save this old one right here, just in case we may have to. All right, that was fun. But 2 more to do. 2 more to install. Sorry about that little fiasco when I thought I broke it, but I came close to breaking it. All right, guys. Boom. That's the part 2. Center cap, simple. Center cap, it makes your wheel look a little way better, bro. It's like right now you can see how dirty that one is, man. And these even though it sounded like it was all plastic, but it really is a well-made center caps. But all right, let me put these 2 on, then I'll make a video with all 4. All right, guys, I'm out.